Welcome students again into the 12th science chemistry class. Now we are learning the chapter number, that is the fourth chapter, energetics and thermodynamics, or thermodynamics and energetics. Now in that chapter we learned the types of the processes. We already learned that types of the processes. Now let us learn about the nature of heat and work. In case of thermodynamics, how is the nature of heat and work is there? Let us learn. Yes, now pay attention on the blackboard. We are learning the nature of heat and work. Now what is the nature of work? Let us learn first. Now in mechanics or in physics, the work is defined as the energy by which body is displaces through a distance d. Now we know that in physics work is nothing but force into distance. So in mechanics, the work is defined as the energy by which body is displaces through a distance d with an application of force F. So thus in mechanics, work is equal to force into displacement. Now work is that energy which is nothing but the body displaces through a distance d with the application of force F. But in case of thermodynamics, the type of work involved is pressure volume. So, in thermodynamics, the type of work is pressure volume type of work. The work is done when the system means here gas, expands or contracts against the external opposing force. Suppose the gas is placed in a cylinder and there is the weightless and frictionless piston on that cylinder, then what happens? If the work is done by the system, then the gas expands. And if work is done on the system, then the gas get contracts. So in thermodynamics, there is the pressure volume type of work is observed. So when the work is done, the system, that is the gas, expands or contracts against the external opposing force. Thus the product of pressure and volume, is equal to work. Now see on the blackboard, the product of the pressure and volume is called as the work. Now here, what is there again? The product of pressure and volume is called as the work. Now pressure is defined as, how the pressure is defined as? Pressure is nothing but it is the force per unit area. Now pressure is nothing but it is the force per unit area. We know that pressure is force per unit area. So if d is the distance, then unit area is calculated as A is equal to d square, and volume is calculated as volume is equal to d cube, because d is the distance. Length into breadth is the area, and length into breadth into height is the volume. So the unit area is given as A is equal to d square and volume is given as V is equal to d cube. Now substitute the value of A and V in this pressure volume type of work. Pressure volume type of work is nothing but, it is the pressure is nothing but force per unit area, and this volume is here. If PV is equal to F divided by A into V, F divided by A is equal to, that is the pressure per unit area is nothing but the, force per unit area is nothing but the pressure. So F divided by A is nothing but the pressure, and V, that is the volume. Now substitute the value of A and V in this equation. So F divided by d square into d cube. So as there is only F into D is remaining, because we did D square and here D square get cancelled. So F into D. But what is F into D? Force into distance. That is nothing but the work. And therefore this PV, that is pressure into volume, is nothing but the F into D. But F into D, that is the force into distance, is nothing but the work, and therefore PV is equal to W. So in thermodynamics, the work is nothing but the pressure volume type of work. Now let us explore the PV work with two chemical reactions. Now in that chemical reaction, in the first, the gas which is placed in the cylinder get expanded, or that is the expansion of the work, and in the other there is the compression. That means the work of compression will be done. Now let us learn that two different chemical reaction in which the work in the two chemical reaction in a cylinder equipped with frictionless movable piston. Frictionless means there is no friction when the piston move from upward direction to downward direction in the cylinder, and there is attached with a certain mass. That piston get attached with the certain mass is put on that, on the surface of that area. Now let us learn how the figure is there in the first chemical reaction and how the figure in the second chemical reaction. Let us learn now. Now you can take the screenshot to writing the notes. Now again pay attention student on the blackboard. Now see that two reaction. First one is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Now in this reaction there is the formation of oxygen gas and water. Now hydrogen peroxide is in the liquid form. So consider this reaction of, that is the hydrogen decomposition of this H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. It gives water and oxygen gas. Now as gas is formed there, now see this is the cylinder. Now this is the before the reaction. In that cylinder there is the hydrogen peroxide is taken and a movable frictionless piston is there which is attached by this mass. Now weight is placed on the surface of that piston. Now before reaction the piston is at this level, but when after reaction the oxygen gas is poured, this weightless and frictionless piston which have the weight on that moves upward, and due to that what happens? There is the expansion like process. Now we have to show that the pressure volume work in this thermodynamics is of the two types of work. It may be the work of expansion or it may be the work of compression. Now let us learn the example of work of expansion here. Now the gas produced in the above reaction, that is this oxygen gas, pushes the piston upward so that the mass is lifted. Mass get lifted to the upward direction, and in the lifting the mass, what happened? The system loses its energy. Now the system means this reaction. Now this reaction, due to the lifting of that mass, it loses its energy, and due to that what happened? Now this system loses the energy to the surroundings and it performs the work on the surrounding. As system loses its energy, the work is performed on the surrounding, and this work, that is the PV type of work, pressure volume type of work, is the work of expansion, because here the volume of the reaction mixture get increased and the system perform the work on the surrounding due to the, that is the acquisition of the external work, and due to that there is the formation of PV type of work, which is the expansion. Work of expansion is there. The system loses the energy to the surrounding, and there is the PV type of expansion work get performed. Now let us learn the second reaction in which there is also the PV type of work, but this work is the work of compression. Now see there what happened in this. Now the reaction between the ammonia and HCl, both are the gases. Ammonia and HCl both are the gases. Now here this ammonia gas and this HCl gas, when they are in the gaseous form, the volume is more in the cylinder first. And when they react with each other, they will the formation of ammonium chloride, which is in the solid state. So due to that what happened? As gas required maximum space, but when it turns into the solid state, the piston get moved downward. Now see here, consider the reaction between ammonia and HCl gas. There is the formation of NH4Cl solid. As the reaction progresses, as the reaction continues or progresses, what happens? These both gases are consumed and resulting, and it gives or after consumption of this gas, what happened? Resulting in the decrease of volume. The piston comes downward. Now due to that what happened? The piston moves downward, there is the decrease in volume. In this process, what is there? In this process, surrounding lose energy to the system because the weight comes downward. Mass comes downward. That means surrounding loses the energy of surrounding to that the system. So the piston moves down and the process similarly there the piston moves down in that case. In this the piston get upward direction, but in this direction the piston moves to the downward direction and it piston get moves down, and due to that the process that is in this process surrounding lose energy to the system, which is gained by the system. The energy which is gained in the energy by the system. As surrounding lose its energy, that energy gained by that system. So there is the PV type of work is formed, and that work is nothing but the work of expansion. Now this is about the nature of the work. Now let us learn the nature of the heat. The second thing, that is the heat. Heat is also the energy or which is the form of the energy. Heat is because when there is the work is done, some amount of energy get given out or taken out. So like work, heat is a form of energy. Remember that. As work is the form of energy, heat is also the form of energy. So like work, heat is the form of energy by which the system exchanges energy with the surrounding. Now when the heat get exchanged from the system to surrounding or surrounding to system, the heat is nothing but the energy. So heat is exchanges from surrounding to system and again from system to surrounding. And if the system and surrounding are at the different temperature, what happens? Heat flows from system to surrounding or vice versa, that is surrounding to system. If system have the maximum energy, then the energy get given out by the system to the surrounding, and if the surrounding have the more energy than the system, then system absorb the energy from that surrounding. Now this is about the nature of heat. Now let us learn the sign and convention of that of the work and heat, how they are, the signs for that, for the work of expansion and for the work of compression. What is the signs of the work and heat? Let us learn. Now you can take the screenshot. There is also the figure for the second reaction in which the piston moves downward and volume decreases. Now again pay attention on the blackboard, students. We are learning the sign and convention of work and heat. Now see here, this is the figure. Now this is suppose the system or any chemical reaction is there. System is the any chemical reaction, we know that. And the surroundings are there. Now these are surroundings. Now, when heat is absorbed by this system, then the sign of heat is plus, that is the plus Q. Heat get absorbed by the system. But if heat is released by the system, then the sign of the heat is the minus, that is the minus Q, heat released. Similarly, if the work is done on the system, what happened? W is positive. And if work is done by the system on that surrounding, then the work is the negative work. If the work is done by this system on the surrounding, then energy get released, and work is done on the surrounding by the system, that is the negative work. And the positive work is that when work is done by the surrounding on the system, then that work is the positive work. So see here, plus Q is the heat absorbed by the system from the surroundings, and minus Q is the heat released by the system on the surrounding. So the sign is minus because it is released. As heat get absorbed by the system, the sign of the heat is positive. Now similarly for the work, that is the plus W, positive work. See on the blackboard there. Now the positive work, that is the plus W, is work done on the system. When the sign of the work is positive, then the work done on the system by the surroundings. So plus W is the work done on the system by the surrounding. And minus W is the work done by the system on the surrounding. As the system loses its energy, so work is done by the system on the surrounding, and the sign of the work is negative. Remember that. Now this is about the sign and convention of the heat and work. Both are the form of the energies. Now let us learn the expression for pressure volume work for the, that is the, in this case the process is the isothermal process, and to which there is how the expansion or how the, that is the expression for the pressure volume work is there. Let us learn. Now this is the figure. In this there is the gas, suppose that is the system having pressure P, and again there is the external pressure on this system. Now this is the weightless movable rigid piston. At first when the gas, initially there is no expansion of the gas, then what is there? Now there is the volume, suppose V2, and on expansion of the gas the volume becomes V1 and the piston moves through this distance D. Now see here, consider a certain amount of gas. Now, this is the certain amount of gas here at the constant pressure P is enclosed in a cylinder fitted with weightless and frictionless movable piston. Having the area of cross section of that piston is capital A. Now the piston have the area of cross section capital A. Let the volume of the gas initially is V1. Suppose this is the volume of the gas. Now if there is compression, then the volume of the gas decreases. Now here this is the initial volume V1 is the initial volume of the gas at temperature T, any temperature. On expansion, this is the volume of the gas. Now on expansion, the force exerted by the gas is equal to the area of the piston. Now force is nothing but the area into pressure, we know that. So on expansion what happened? The force exerted by the gas is equal to the piston, equal to the area of the piston multiplied by pressure. Pressure into area is nothing but the force with which the gas pushes the piston upward. As there is expansion, the gas pushes upward, and the force is nothing but the area multiplied multiplied by the pressure. Now how there is the expression? Let us learn for the PV type of work. How the expression we obtain in PV is equal to W. How we obtain? Let us learn now. Now pay attention students on the blackboard again. Now the pressure is equal to the magnitude and opposite in sign to that of the external atmospheric pressure. Now that pressure of gas which is filled in that cylinder, it have the equal magnitude to that of the external pressure, but only it have the opposite sign to that of the external pressure. So take the external pressure as that of the value of the external pressure is minus P external. Now this is the external atmospheric pressure, which is the opposite pressure of that gas. Gas have the value of the pressure only positive P, and the external pressure have the value minus P external. This is the external atmospheric pressure. So we know that force is nothing but the external pressure into area. So the external pressure is the minus Pex into this area. Suppose this is the equation, X is there. Now if the piston moves out a distance d, we already learned in that figure, there is the, when the piston moves through the distance d, then the amount of the work done is equal to the force multiplied by distance. How the work done we obtain? Force multiplied by distance. But force is nothing but it is the minus P external into A. So substitute this value of force in this equation. So on substitute the value of X in this equation, what we obtain? W is equal to minus P external into A. Now this is the value of this force and into this distance. We substitute this value of force in this equation. Now area into distance is nothing but the volume, and here as the distance is d from the volume V2 to V1, so it is the change in volume through that. So area into distance is nothing but the delta V. Delta V means V2 minus V1. And therefore it is the change in volume. So substitute this, that is the value of this area into distance as that of the delta V. Delta V is nothing but it is the change in volume. So on change there is the volume change, there is the delta V, and so on substituting this value of area into distance as delta V, we obtain that W is equal to minus P external into delta V. That is this is the equation which is the expression of the PV type of work. So W is equal to minus Px into delta V. Delta V is nothing but the V2 minus V1. So W is equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1. Here V1 and V2 are the initial and final volumes respectively. Now first let us learn, when gas expands, the volume increases. Suppose the initial volume that is less and final volume is more. So when gas expands, work is done by the system on the surroundings. That is, the work is done by the system on the surrounding. And into that case what happened? The final volume is definitely more than the initial volume, and therefore V2 is greater than V1 in that case, and the V2 minus V1 is definitely positive. But though delta V is positive, but the sign is negative here of that of the P external, so the total work becomes negative, and hence when there is the work of expansion, that is the work is done by the system on the surrounding, in that case V2 is greater than V1 and W having the negative sign. That is, work is done by the system on the surrounding. So when there is the work is done by the system on the surrounding, the system loses its energy and the work is negative in that case. But if the work of now that work is the work of expansion, that is the work is done by the system on the surrounding. But if there is the work of compression, that is the work of surrounding works on the system, that is the work is done on the system by the surrounding. Now see here, when gas is compressed, work is done on the system by the surrounding. Now in that case, initially volume is large, but as there is compression, the volume become less. So in that case, V2 is less than the V1, and therefore as V2 is less than V1, V2 minus V1 definitely negative. But as sign of P here negative, so negative means minus P external and minus delta V becomes positive, and therefore W is positive in that case. So the work of compression is always positive and work of expansion is always negative. Remember that. If the work is done by the system on the surrounding, it is the negative work, and if the work is done on the system by the surrounding, it is the positive work, that is the work of compression. Now if there is the pre-expansion means expansion of the gas in the vacuum. As there is no any external pressure is present in the vacuum, so definitely minus P external becomes 0. So minus P external, that is the 0 into delta V becomes 0, that means no work is done. So in the pre-expansion there is no work done. Now see here, a pre-expansion means expansion against 0 opposing force. So no work is done when gas expand freely in the vacuum. In that case, minus P external is equal to 0. So W is equal to 0 into delta V, that is equal to 0. So W is equal to 0. Now the in the pre-expansion, work is always 0 or no work is done in the pre-expansion or in the vacuum. Now this is students about that of the expression for the PV type of work. This expression we learned, W is equal to minus P external into delta V. From that figure we explain this expression. Again, in first we learn about the nature of heat and nature of energy, how the sign and conventions of Q and W, and again we learn the pre-expansion here. Now this is about all these topics. If you learn these topics very clearly and if you understand this, that is the pre-expansion, expression for the PV type of work, nature of heat and nature of work, their sign and convention, then you like, subscribe and share this video so that the maximum students can be benefited by watching this video. So thank you for watching this. Thank you students. Now you can take the screenshot and write down the notes. Thank you very much.